Hello students, I'm Shivani Sharma, your maths teacher, and we are studying 12th standard maths. And we are doing Unit 1 Relations and Functions of your NCERT book. And in my previous video lectures, I have taught you the concept of relations, their types, functions, and their types. And we have also done important questions based on these concepts. And if you see my last lecture, there I had taught you the concept of composition of functions and invertible functions. So now in this lecture, we'll be doing exercise 1.3 that is based on these concepts to find the inverse of function and finding the composition of two functions. So let's start. So this is exercise 1.3 and now I'm going to do question number 1. So see what question number 1 is telling you, giving you, and what it is asking you to give. Now f, suppose f is a function. In this question there is a function f that is defined from the set 1, 3, 4 to the set 1, 2, 5. Okay, and then again there is a function g from the set 1 to 5 to the set 1, 3. Now these functions, how they are defined, let's say they are given by f equal to, see they are ordered pairs, you can see 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. And what do these ordered pairs mean? These ordered pairs mean that 1 is going to 2, 3 is going to 5, and 4 is going to 1, right? And now how G is defined? G is defined as 1, 3, 2, 3, and 5, 1. 3 pairs in this set. And clearly 1 is going to 3, 2 is going to 3, and 5 is going to 1. Now this question is asking you to write G composition F. What you have to write? You have to write G composition with F. Now to understand what this question actually means, what it is given in the question, let's draw 3 sets. Suppose I draw 3 sets, X, Y, and Z. X and Y and Z. And X is having 3 elements, 1, 3, and 4. Y is again having 3 elements, 1, 2, and 5. And the set Z, that is having 2 elements, 1 and 3. Now I am defining a function f from x to y and g from y to z. So this much is given in the question. 1, 3, 4, I have named this set as x. 1 to 5, I have named this set as y. And 1, 3, this is the set C. 1 to 5, 1 to 5, this is the common set because the domain, the codomain of function f is the domain for the function g, right? Now, what is happening? क्या हो रहा है देखते हैं. देखिए, अब आपको f define कर दिया है and g भी define किया हुआ है. Now what he is asking you to do is find G composition with F. आपको G composition F निकालना है. तो G composition F कैसे निकालना है? मतलब now you have to go from set X to set Z. This is the function G composition F, right? Now to find G composition F, let's write for F. Now f of 1, what is f of 1? F of 1 is 2. F of 3 is equal to 5 and f of 4 equal to 1. See, the first coordinate will be representing the domain element and the second coordinate will be representing the range element, right? So f of 1 is going to 2, 3 is going to 5, and 4 is going to 1. 1 is going to 2, 3 is going to 5, and 4 is going to 1. Clear? And G, what G is doing now, G is taking 1, 2, 3. So G of 1 is equal to 3. G of 2 is equal to 3, and G of 5 is equal to 1. Now we are supposed to find G composition F. G composition F. See, where G composition F, I have drawn this G composition F to make you understand what this function now is doing. See, what's the domain for G composition F? It's the set X again. And it's bypassing the set Y. And what is the range set, the codomain set? That is the set Z. From X, it's directly going to the set Z, right? So we'll be taking the elements of set X because set X is the domain for the function G composition F. Now G composition F of 1, that is equal to G of F of 1. Now what is F of 1? F of 1 is equal to 2. So this is G of 2. And what is G of 2? G of 2 is equal to 3. So G composition F of 1 is equal to 3. Now G composition F, what is the next element in the set X? That is 3. So this is G of F of 3. And what is F of 3, by the way? F of 3 is 5. So this becomes G of 5. And what is G of 5? Here you can see G of 5. G of 5 is equal to 1. So the last element in the set X is 4. So we are taking 4 now. G composition F of 4 is equal to G of F of 4. And that is G of, what is F of 4? F of 4 is equal to 1. So now we have to find G of 1. And what is G of 1? G of 1 is equal to 3. So you can see G composition F of 1 is 3, G composition F of 3 is 1, and G composition F of 4 is 3. So how we can define G composition F? So let's define in terms of ordered pairs as has been defined in the question itself. So G composition F will be 1 is going to 3. So ordered pair 1, 3, and 3 is going to 1. So then that is 3, 1, and 4 is going to 3. So that becomes 4, 3. So this is what we have gained. G composition F. G composition F is the set of pairs. What pairs we are getting? 1, 3, 3, 1, and 4, 3 means 1 is going to 3, 3 is going to 1, and 4 is going to 3 under the mapping G composition with F. Hope you understand this. Hope you have understood this question.